Hippocrates, the father of Western medicine, stated, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." Let's explore how garlic can be one of your medicines.
Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef Dr. Margie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth.
Hello. Today I'm highlighting 8 potential benefits of garlic. Stay to the end of the video for a 9th bonus tip. The benefits are listed in this slide, and I'll go over each individually as well. Number 1, reducing the symptoms of the common cold. There are several studies that show a positive effect on the immune system from eating fresh garlic. Allicin is thought to be the chemical that helps. Garlic reduces the number of colds and flu infections, duration of illness, and severity of symptoms. Garlic is also a good source of vitamin C, which also helps the immune system. And garlic has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is also good news when fighting those types of infections. Number 2, reduce blood pressure. One theory is that red blood cells convert the sulfur in garlic into hydrogen sulfide gas, which causes the blood vessels to dilate, lowering blood pressure. Number 3, reduce total and LDL cholesterols. Garlic may drop total and LDL cholesterols by as much as 10 to 15%. It may also cause a slight increase in the HDL, or good cholesterol. Number 4, contains antioxidants. Antioxidants found in garlic may help prevent Alzheimer's and other dementias. The cholesterol and blood pressure reductions caused by garlic may also be the mechanisms by which garlic helps. Number 5, improve longevity. This is due primarily to the improvement in the cardiovascular disease and other conditions that can affect longevity. Number 6, improve athletic performance. Some studies suggest that exercise-induced fatigue may be lessened with garlic consumption, thus improving endurance. Number 7, detox heavy metals. One study showed a reduction of 19% in blood lead levels in lead-exposed persons and decreased symptoms due to the exposure. The sulfur compounds in garlic may also protect against organ damage caused by heavy metals. Number 8, improve bone health. The theory here is that estrogen levels may be increased as a result of eating garlic, but more studies are needed in this area. Garlic may also protect against osteoarthritis. There are other claims of health benefits with the use of fresh garlic. Feel free to post some of these benefits in the comments below. Now, let's go into the kitchen for the 9th bonus tip. Bonus tips. An easy way to get the health benefits of garlic is to use a garlic press. I offer the Pampered Chef garlic press. You'll find a link to it in the description below. This garlic press allows you to enjoy the aroma of fresh garlic and to get the press contents into your recipes with ease. No need to peel the garlic and get the smell of garlic on your hands. Just simply place 1 or 2 cloves into the garlic press and squeeze. And for additional health benefits, just let the garlic sit for 10 minutes before using the recipe. And that helps trigger the enzymes in the garlic for releasing of beneficial compounds. So I hope you enjoyed this video and the information included. To your health and wealth.
Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit. To your health and wealth.